Hi guys, welcome to our day 2 practice. Rebecca folds a square piece of paper twice. Then she cuts off one color. Next, she unfolds the paper. What does the paper look like once unfolded? Alright, so this one, originally we have one square piece of the paper, right? And Rebecca folds the paper twice. The first time and the second time, and then we have the final result. So here we have to start from the final result. Go backward to see if we unfold, if we open it. What does the paper look like? So this part has already been cut off, right? Cut off. So if you open it, what does the paper look like? How can we solve it? So firstly, okay, we're gonna use this one, right? This one, go backward. Because in the second time, we fold the paper to the right. So here we have to do it, okay, backward. So here we have to open it to the left. So the paper would like this one. Okay, like this one. So we have the triangle, right? Triangle has been cut off. And then go ahead. So in the first time, we folded the paper to the top, right? So here we have to open it to the bottom. Okay, open it. So here we're gonna go to the first one. Okay, here, open it. So we have the square, right? But some part is empty, right? So we have the triangle here, but you open it. So we have two triangles. That would be one diamond. So there will be one diamond which is empty in the middle place. So that is answer. So this the paper looks like. All right, guys, and let's move on to the part 2. Okay, so the problem 2 here, 3 ropes are laid down on the floor as shown on the right. You can make one big, complete the rope by adding one of the sets of rope ends shown in the picture below. So we have the A, B, C, D. We have 5 options. Okay, which of the sets will make one complete rope? So guys, you have to make sure what is our goal in this problem. Are we going to make 2 ropes or 3 ropes? No, our goal is only to make one complete rope, right? So here, if you just see the half of the rope, you will see, okay, we have this one and this one and this one. Okay, so which means if you use the other set of the rope, like if you connect this point and this point, this point and this point, this point and this point, how many ropes are there? There will be 1, 2, 3. They're gonna be 3 ropes, but we only make one complete rope. So which means we cannot, okay, make the rope like this one. So which means the point cannot connect with the point again. That is the key point in this problem. Okay, so here we can see, okay, we can mark the points as the point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, point 6. So 1 is connecting with the point 4. 1 matches with the 4. 2 is connecting with the 6. 2 connects with the 6. And 3 connects with the 5. Okay, so we have the 3 pairs of the connection, right? The 3 pairs. And for the other set, the 3 pairs cannot be combined, cannot be connected. One more time. Otherwise, we're going to have more than one rope, right? Okay, so let's check the option A. In the option A, we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will see, okay, 1 is connecting with the 3. It's okay, right? It's okay. But 2 is connecting with what? With the 6. So you will see the 2 is connecting with 6. So if we use the option A, they're gonna be one rope. So which means they are more than one rope. So option A is not correct. Okay, option B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 connects with a 4. Okay, guys, you will see it's not correct, right? 1 is already connected with 4. So option B, no. Option A, no. Option C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 connects with a 2. 3 connects with the 6. 4 connects with the 5. Okay, it's okay, right? It's good. And now we're gonna go ahead double check the option D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 connects with a 2. 3 connects with a 5. Okay, 3 is already connected with a 5. So option D will be not correct. Option E, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 is connected with 4. It's not correct. So we see only the option C, it is the answer. Alright guys, so for the math kangaroo program, you have to find one smart way to solve it. Okay, maybe you can try the 5 options one by one to connect, then to see do we have only one group, but that would be so time consuming. Okay, all right, and let's move on to the problem 3. Okay, so this one here. Elsie has 2 machines. So when she puts a square sheet of paper in machine R, it turns the paper 90 degrees clockwise, as shown in the picture. So what does it mean? So which means if we have the R in the machine, right, R here, the paper will be rotated 90 degrees clockwise. Clockwise, okay, would be in this direction, right? So we see the black square will be from this place to be here, right? Clockwise direction, 90 degrees. And when she puts the paper in machine X, so if we have an X here, it stamps in the paper with the plum button, with the flower. Okay, with a flower here. If we have A's, there would be one flower. In which order are the machines used to produce the result shown below? So we have the results, this one, and we have to find what are the order, right? Of the machines. Here is the S R R or R S R or R S S. How to solve it? I guess we can take try. If in the first square, if we have A's over here, so which means we can have one flower, right? One flower here. Let me use the flower like this way. Okay, flower. But at this moment, the black square is in the lower left corner of the flower. So then you will find the result. The black square actually is in the upper left corner of the flower, right? Is in the upper left corner of the flower, right? So which means the first one cannot be the H. So it has to be the R. It has to be the R. Okay, so the first one, it is the R. R. So we're gonna rotate the paper 90 degrees clockwise. So it will be this one. It will be this one. The black square will be here. Okay. All right. And then we can have the A's right now to have the flower in the paper, right? So paper will be like this one. The flower right here. And then because the result, it is pointing to the right. So which means we have to rotate the paper. So here we can have the R to rotate their direction. Okay. So here, rotate the paper clockwise 90 degrees. So black paper, the black square will be here. And the flower will be here. Okay, so the R is R. That is the answer. So option B is correct. Alright, that is the day 2 practice.